Hello, welcome to the next lecture. So what we will be doing in this lecture is actually opening and closing files in SolidWorks. To start, make sure you download the project asset for this lecture and save it somewhere convenient on your computer that is easy for you to access. So what we want to do is now we want to click on this icon that says open, and the shortcut is Ctrl-O, and we'll click on this folder, and right up here that is where you want to browse, or on the site rather you want to browse to the file location. So mine is on my desktop, and I will click on the SolidWorks class, and I have the shaft arm drawing and the part file. So I want to click on the part file and I want to select open, and that is pretty much how you open a file. And you can also open the drawing. Let's open the drawing too. We'll click on the open folder, browse to the location, and select the shaft arm, open. And that is pretty much how you open a file in SolidWorks. Another way you can open files is you can go right into the folder where you've saved the drawings or the part file and double click on them, and it's going to open in SolidWorks directly. So those are the two ways you can open file, or the shortcut key Ctrl-O. So to close is pretty much simple. You can either, so this will exit out of it. So what you want to do is you want to click on this X right here. This X up here closes SolidWorks completely, and this X right here closes the current drawing or part file or assembly that you are working in. So we'll click on this, and as you can see, it's going to ask you whether you want to save. We'll click don't save, and it has closed that drawing, but our part file still remains open. So what we want to do is close this as well. So we're just going to click close, and it has closed our part file, but SolidWorks still remains open. And if we want to close SolidWorks directly or completely, we can click this X, or we can exit it over here. So that is pretty much, and we actually still in a new part file here, which is indicated by this X up here. We can also click on that X, close it. Now we are just in SolidWorks, and we just back to the starting page where we can start a new part file or open, and we can close SolidWorks directly from up here. So that's pretty much how you open and close files in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.